Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Today we will learn how to generate auto slug in Laravel. Here is the name. We will need to generate auto slug, but how? Today we will learn this one. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to on Google and I'm trying to searching Laravel package that's name is Laravel sluggable. Okay, here is the documentation. I can open one or two is I hope this one is okay. So here is the documentation how to install this one. So here is the first one, composer required is byte laravel sluggable. Here is the documentation. So I'm trying this one and this okay is installing. Okay, I have installed is done. Right now we are using Laravel package. Okay, here is the package how to use. Here is the okay, so here is the documentation and where we will use on Laravel model, that's name is category. Okay, so here I can use. So and what we need this one. Okay, so we'll install this one. So already is installed here. Okay, no problem. Right now we need use a trait. Here is the trait, use trait. Just use on comma and okay, fine is this. So how to install, right? Install this process is done. How to use this one? Here is the name. Which one? This name is name means this name. Here is the title name, who is table or who is yes, who is table from you need to generate slug. There is this name is if here's name is a title. Okay, title, so you should press one is title. Okay, so I have already name and I'm trying to name. Okay, name. So now we will using seed. Here is the process is done already. Now is generate auto slug. Okay, so I am right now want to a seeder for slug. Okay, so I want here category create and here is the name will be HTML and non slug auto will be generate slug and data will be auto is default true. Okay, no problem. Here is the here just press one and its auto will be create. So PSP artisan migration migrate fresh set. Look, HTML is name, slug is auto generate. So I'm right now CSS just here is the CSS and slug will be CSS. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please share on your friends or your circle. Or if you don't subscribe my channel, if you already not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel and share my videos on your friends. So thank you so much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.